Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
If you need to remove your rear view mirror, there's a little tab right underneath here. You can grab it with your finger, and with your other hand, just wiggle it back and forth, and it'll slide right up. That's the little lock tab right there. To reinstall, I'm just going to line it up, slide it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.